everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to reveal what's inside on this 2026 30 years Pokemon Day collection. So this is what the packaging looks like. I think this is actually dropping today, the 30th, and I got this one yesterday in Target for $16.99. So this is what the packaging looks like. This collection came in with a Pikachu promo card, which is very cute, and then we have a coin right here. The coin actually looks metallic, and then we have three booster packs. I think this one are Phantasmal Flames, and the other one is a Mega Evolution. So let's take a look inside. This is what the coin looks like. So this one is made up of plastic right here. And then what else do we have? And then the promo card. This is my all-time favorite promo card. Well, I have a lot of favorite, but this one is just stunning. Look at that. It's so cute. Very nice. So you guys can see right here the Pokemon Day stamp logo right here. It says 30 over there, and then 2026 at the top, and then Pokemon Day. This is a really nice a collectible piece. And the back looks like this one. So for some reason I've noticed that, I don't know, the centering is a little bit weird. This one is too heavy on this side, and then when you look at the back, it seems like it looks fine. But regardless, it is such a very nice collectible piece. The Pikachu is very nice. Look at those holo, guys. Very pretty. And then these are the packs that came in with it. The Phantasmal Flames. There is two, and then the Mega Evolution. So let's take a look what I got in here. So at this moment, I am still chasing for the Mega Charizard. So I'm not keeping my hopes high on this, but let's see. So this one, okay. So let's see what we got in here. So pretty much like for the common cards, the base cards, you could just easily complete them. So, okay, let's see what we got in here. All right. Wow. Very nice. I already have this one. So we got the Mega DNC X. I think this one is number 41. Right here. It's very nice. This is actually a very nice card, but yeah, I was looking for something else. So this is just pretty much what we have on the first pack. So moving on to the next pack right here. Okay, it's pretty much like similar from the first one. Okay, so okay, let's see. Well, I doubt we got some IR in here. All right. Oh, the second pack we have the Vileplume. So yeah, we didn't get any special illustration or an illustration rare, but that's okay. Okay, moving on to the next pack for the Mega Evolution. So let's see what we got for the Mega Evolution. If you see something nice in here to be added to my collection. Oh, this one is nice too. Oh, all right. I drop it. Okay, the Nickit, Fearow. Oh, Alakazam, and that's it. So these are pretty much what I've got in here. So that's pretty much it. We didn't get an IR or the special illustration, but the promo card is definitely, well, definitely a must have though if you're a collector. So pretty. Very, very nice. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.